Hey guys, welcome back and thank you for clicking. How you doing guys? Welcome back to my channel. I don't feel like filming. I don't feel like doing anything. I just have a lot going on. Okay, hold on, I'll be back. Give me the package. Thank you. So this is hey, okay, so I got a package from Fela McCafe. Is that how you pronounce her name? I don't know. I placed order for this products here by Fela McCafe. So, and then I saw that she have a makeup brand and they look nice on camera. And I said, okay, right now I'm looking for products to buy that are not very expensive, that I can use for business, like for makeup business. I've had a few friends who want to come by to do their makeup and they're going to find me something though, but not like big money because it's not a wedding. That was okay, they'll pay me well. I've been telling them I don't have enough products. Some people don't seem to believe. I don't have complete products because the shades I have now are for personal use, so I needed to get more products. So I said, okay, why don't I use this time now to get products that will make me happy, and at the same time, if a business come, I will not be denying, I will not be rejecting it, I'll take it. So that was how I placed order for this thing. Hi Faustina. So I placed order for this, and I don't know if we should go to my apartment and see it, or I can even show you guys here, because in there I don't feel like filming. Wendy is sleeping, the twins are sleeping, the house is so calm, and let me just show you guys here, because I realized that I have a house that I just look at that. Okay, I already opened this. So you can see that Beauty by Fela McCafe. So this is the palette powder. This one has a lot of shades that, so this is what it looks. Okay, so this one has all the shades that I need. Even if you're a brony, if you come to my house that you want to do your makeup, I have your shades right now. Yeah, I've already seen my shades. This is gonna be perfect for me. This is for me. So I'm that girl that is not very light and I'm not dark either. I'm not very dark. So this is gonna be perfect for me. I just love the packaging. This one will not break. Okay. I can use this as a contour. Alright, I cannot wait to use this and see. Okay, when I'm coming inside, she put a gift inside, so I'm going to show you guys that later, because I told her put a gift. To I'm a YouTuber, I'm going to talk about the products, and she, being a social media person, understands the importance on doing business with content creators. I just jokingly told her, add something, I'm going to talk about the products on my channel. And then there she did. She went on and she smiled. She was like, okay, wow, nice. All right, so this is setting spray that I got. You can see. Okay, everything is just what I ordered. One more item to do. One is, I wanted the gold, but they didn't have it. This is exactly what I ordered. Oh, look at diamonds. The diamonds. I cannot wait to put this to use. Oh wow, this, and it has something like okay, not a mirror. This is actually really nice, and the good thing is this product, you can see the glitz. That is how to know the original one. The original one I have in my house got finished long ago. I have not been able to get some to buy because I have been avoiding buying the real shit, the real thing, because I didn't want to spend money. Finally did this and I'm glad. You can see that is a lady like me. Hey, Beauty by Fela McCafe diamond highlighter, exactly what she named it. Okay, now let's go into the gift. Let's see what she sent for me. No, this girl is not joking. She sent me more than one. Oh my gosh. Fella. Oh. Oh, fella. Oh, this girl. Oh. So I'm going to do like, because of these things, look at this angle brush. Like, I really need an angle brush right now, to clean my brows, and a spooling brush. Oh wow, this is a girl like me, a lady. I'm even older than this chick, to think about it. Just that she have more sense than me. Hey, beauty by fella. Okay. And she sent me a lashes tweezer. Yesterday when I saw this, I was contemplating if I should order for it or not. Now she sent it for free. This girl, she's so smart. She's smart, a smart businesswoman. Just see this for free. This may have cost her like 40 cedis. Okay, nice. Her products are not expensive at all. That's another thing I'm going to tell you. I'm going to do a makeup review on these items when I'm ready. Today we are making akara for the farm. So I already have my oil on fire. Hey guys, welcome to what I eat in a day in my life. I'm starting my day with akara and akamu. So normally, please, before we even go further, this is not a cooking tutorial video. This is not a tutorial video. It's just me sharing what I eat in a day in my life. Okay, so because akara is supposed to have the space supposed to be thicker than this, but because I used this one for, this is a leftover of what I had used there on my channel to make my mai, so I didn't want it to just lie there in the fridge because I'm not ready to make another mai, so I used it to make akara and akamu for breakfast, and everybody enjoyed it. Good enough. I was able to bring Nanja to Ghana just like that, in a twinkle of an eye. Okay, let's go for lunch, guys. I have been eating a lot of greenish, vegetables for some time. I'm not really a salad person, but I like to eat raw vegetables. So yeah, here we are with my lettuce. I want to drink Coke today, guys. I cannot remember the last time I bought Coca-Cola and open it and drink it, so because we are always careful, don't eat this. I'm in that point in my life where I don't want to be too selective of what I eat because it's not healthy for me. Once in a while we eat unhealthy things, for God's sake. So I had to drink Coke no matter what anybody tells me. Today I was ready to drink some Coke. So I just have my rice and stew, and then some of the vegetable, that's the lettuce, in the diet for lunch. That is for me, and a glass of Coca-Cola. For dinner, I'm making dodo. I'm making what is it called, fried plantain. Oh my god, I'm looking at it, I don't even know the name. Or making fried plantain and eggs for dinner. And of course, as always, I must add some of the green vegetables. I came across one, a traditional herbalist, a Nigerian woman, a Yoruba woman, who has a lot of knowledge in these herbal things and health things. So she talked about the importance of eating lots of green vegetable. That is very good. So since then, I have been doing a lot of lettuce, in all of my diet. I'll add some. So it's really good. So I'm going to head now to fry my egg the way I like it. And then I'm just going to go on to stir it, and then go on and add my fried plantain inside it. Stir it, and yummy. That is it for dinner. This is looking small here because, yeah, I just made a portion of it and filmed it. I actually make something for the entire household, yeah, so it looks small on camera, but then they don't like eating this green vegetable. Sometimes I eat like tomato, like raw tomatoes. Sometimes I eat this green vegetable, but not everybody in my house enjoys that. So whenever I want to include that in my diet, I'll just take my own portion out of it and then, you know, just feel only mine. All right, hope you enjoyed watching this video. I will see you in my next one. Stay tuned and please check if you have not subscribed. Kindly hit the subscription button. Don't forget to like this video for me, okay? I'll see you in another upload. Ciao.